Yamaha WR450F 2018 from factory has throttle limiter, intake restrictor and muffler homologated for public roads. Limiter and restrictor are already removed and the muffler will be changed to competition 1. The reversed Yamaha engine provides better mass centralization, but needs longer exhaust pipe. The best solution would be full FMF titanium exhaust system, which is also sold as original Yamaha GYTR. This system has Megabomb pipe, which increases low RPM power and reduces noise. Titanium muffler 4.1 RCT with carbon cap is optimized for minimal weight, size and resistance. The system weighs 2.7 kilograms. First, remove the seat and side rear fairing. The muffler is mounted with the clamp and 2 bolts. Check our channel or website stuntex.ru for more videos. Remove cover, loosen the clamp and unscrew 3 nuts to remove pipes. OEM gasket should be remained. Remove the starter bracket to make room for front pipe. In this case, the radiator braces are in the way, so I have loosened the radiator mounting bolts. OEM exhaust system weighs about 2 kilograms more than FMF1. Installation starts with Megabomb pipe. The shape of reservoir simulates long header to increase torque, but has low resistance as short header for overrev. Install starter bracket now, while the pipe is movable. Fit the rear pipe. Use exhaust high temperature sealant for pipe connection. Fit front mounting bolt and tighten cylinder nuts evenly. The pipe should be movable to provide fit tight to the cylinder. After, tighten front mounting bolt and install OEM heat shield with the spring. Use exhaust sealant for muffler connection. FMF exhaust system is more lightweight and more compact than OEM one. The muffler is shorter and less susceptible to crash damage. The pipe is closer to the engine and provides better mass centralization. Frame mounting bolt should be used from FMF kit. The RCT4.1 muffler has a resonance chamber technology, which reduces noise, resistance and extends filler lifetime. The kit includes removable spark arrestor with stop clip. Heat shield and upper mounting bolt are remained OEM. FMF exhaust does not need remapping, but it is better to do it for high efficiency. European 2018 models have programmable ECU in stock, which connects to OEM Yamaha power tuner. Power tuner is plugged in to connector from left side of the steering stem. It shows data from temperature and pressure sensors, RPM and throttle angle. Also, you can check mileage in hours. First, set and save custom map into one of the templates. I choose 9. I'm going to use hybrid map, which provides smooth torque at low RPM and strong power at high RPM, which is good both for enduro and motocross races. Next, upload this map to motorcycle ECU. If it is failed, turn on the ignition and try one more time. If it works, you see the confirmation. After disconnecting, the power tuner wishes you a good ride. At the end, I install useful seat strap to move and lift the bike conveniently. Subscribe if information was interesting.